Hello friends, I am Amit Hari Palange, working as a DBA in DRMP Pune office. Today I am going to show you some of the regular work which is to be done by DBS. As a DBA, we need to create new users. There is a module called administration. We have an option of user management. Here we need to select a group. Once selecting a group, we will click on create user. Here we enter employee number. After entering employee number, all the details of the employee will be fetched automatically. We need to enter his mobile number or email on which he will receive OTP. We can also check all the users of particular group. Here is the list. We can also check his details and we can grant him permissions. By clicking on Edit Page Access, we'll select the module. We'll select the particular option which will be assigned or granted to the user. Now I will select a particular user. We can also deactivate him if you want to. Suppose we want to assign him some new bill units. There will be list. After clicking on accounting unit and pay category, we'll get the list of bill units which can be assigned to that particular user. We just need to select those and the bill units will be granted to that particular user. We can also assign a user level for a particular bill unit. There are 3 user levels right now. For salary bill preparation, there are PL1, PL2, PL3 users. I'll show you how to assign them. Here is the list. We can assign a level 1, level 2, level 3 users and save. Sometimes we need to create new bill units. Here is the option, create a new bill unit. Here we need to enter some options like allocation, spending unit, master closing day, etc. After clicking on save, the new bill unit will be created. DBA monthly has to upload some of the files like staff benefit fund or loan recovery files. Here is the option to do that. We need to upload Excel file. There is an option to stop society loan of a particular employee.